Fortunately, I got passed by Verstappen, so now I'm just trying to follow along with him as we're coming towards the white flag. Our pace is just not that good at this track, so we're able to send it to the final corner, gaining a lot of time. But we're gonna lose pretty much all that time through the straightaway. As now it's gonna be the white flag in the air as Leclerc has a massive lead over Verstappen, and B as Russell's a bit far back in fourth. Well, I don't even know what Sainz is, but as Verstappen able to pull away on the straight, I got a decent turn one as just cruising away through the section because there's really nothing to fight for right here. As we're just trying to hang on to a third place, as just a pretty decent race. We just didn't have the pace to really keep up with Leclerc, and we actually really try to hold off guys like Verstappen and Sainz at the start, and Sainz just fell back, and Russell was able to pass him for fourth, and then Verstappen was able to pass me at lap 2, so that's really the story of that. As going through the middle sector right here is so Leclerc's coming close to finishing this race as Verstappen's a long way ahead of me now, as Sainz is actually back in the fourth place, just a few seconds back, but just not enough for him to get fourth. As we get a bit wide right there, but we're able to keep it clean, not hitting a wall. As it looks like for Leclerc, out of the final quarters, he's going to be able to win the Saudi Arabian GP. Verstappen's right now in second is looking to take second place easily. As Verstappen's going to come out in second. And for me, this race, not that great of a race, but we're going to be able to come home in third place for the last podium spot.